Top 5 Best Rotary Tools. Number 5. Goxawee Rotary Toolkit. Overview. The Goxawee is a Chinese-made tool that sits comfortably in the mid-range. It comes with all the accessories and bits that any hobbyist and DIY enthusiast would like. If you are looking for a cheap alternative to Dremel to get you started on your crafting journey, or just as a tool for random DIY and cleaning around the house, the Goxawee may be the best fit for you. This rotary tool comes with a 140 PC accessory kit that includes a flex shaft, giving it a wide range of possible uses from engraving to grinding, cutting, and polishing. As long as you go easy on the tool, it should last you a relatively long time. Pros: 1/64 inch to 1/8 inch collets accommodate the tiniest and all common burrs and bits. Keyless chuck makes it easy to change bits. 1.3 amp delivers a decent amount of speed and torque. 8,000 to 30,000 RPM gives a good speed range for all purposes. A wide variety of accessories is included. Cons: lifespan may not be as good as more expensive brands. Accessories are of lower quality, so heavy use might break them. Coming in number 4. Dremel 8220. Overview. If you want a full kit, a fast charger, longevity and superb construction quality, you are looking at a Dremel yet again. Even though the best workshop cordless rotary tool status has been given to the Milwaukee M12 TM, Dremel bags this one because of the accessories that the kit comes with and the overall quality and design. Once again, you cannot go wrong with Dremel if you want to have a variety of tasks that you want to handle with the same tool. A more powerful 3 amp-hour battery would have really helped, but they have already improved the battery power from the previous model, and there's the 1-hour fast charge. Pros: full kit with accessories that give you a wide range of uses. High-quality construction. Ergonomic design for close, gripped uses. 12-volt battery with a 1-hour fast charger. Comes with a carrying case and 2 batteries. Cons: expensive, you do pay for the accessories and extra battery. 2 amp-hour battery is weaker than other options. Coming in number 3. Milwaukee M12 TM. Overview. This is a tough one because there is always a debate raging between Dremel purists and others about whether Milwaukee is the best cordless rotary tool or not. The real answer here is that they are both solid tools, and the only reason I am choosing the Milwaukee M12 TM over the Dremel 8220 is the price. The M12 TM is just over $100, whereas the 8220 is almost $200. Since you will have to buy Dremel accessories no matter what brand you go for, you might as well save some money on the actual tool. You might want to spend some of your savings on the 6Ah battery pack. It is chunkier but gives more juice for longer operations. Pros: 5,000 to 32,000 RPM speed range gives full versatility. 1/32 inch to 1/18 inch fits all common accessories. 3 amp-hour battery with optional 6 amp-hour battery gives loads of power. Front bearing protection gives stability and long life. Cheaper than Dremel. M12 battery is easily available and fits other Milwaukee products. Cons: noisy, you should wear ear protection. You will need to buy Dremel accessories anyway if you want high quality. Battery life could be better, but it also depends on usage. Rubberized exterior is a dirt magnet. Coming in number 2. Proxxon Rotary Tool. Overview. While most professionals swear by their Dremels, some are very vocal about this lesser-known brand, Proxxon. The difference between the two seems to be more of taste than actual usability. In fact, the Proxxon is slightly less powerful and slower than the Dremel. But it offers top-notch build quality and machined metal attachments, making it a workman's choice. Even though it is priced the same as the Dremel 4300, it is actually more expensive because it provides fewer accessories, much lower amperage, and top speed. It makes up for all these shortcomings with an extremely well-made machine. This is possibly the best-made rotary tool on the market in terms of material quality and engineering. So if you want high precision and quiet, long hours of work, this is the piece you should go for. The quality makes sure it will last for decades. Pros: a powerful yet quiet, full revving 100-watt motor. Compact, precision-oriented design with die-cast aluminum housing. Designed for comfortable use over long hours. Collet goes from 1/32 to 1/8 inch. Full-wave speed controller offers smooth speed change. Die-cast aluminum gives rock-solid stability and precision. Cons: a speed range of 5,000 to 20,000, low top speed may be unsuitable for some users. Comes with fewer accessories. Aluminum head and grip can be slippery to hold. Only 0.9 amp. Coming in number 1. Dremel 4300. Overview. As I said in the very beginning, you simply cannot go wrong with a Dremel. Whether you are a beginner, serious hobbyist, or seasoned professional, the Dremel 4300 has you covered. As long as the price tag is not an issue with you, you can get an attachment and accessory for any kind of project. The company has been in the market for decades and more or less started the whole rotary tool market for craftsmen and hobbyists. Rotary tools were used mainly for industrial or construction work, such as drywall cutting, before Albert J. Dremel realized that there was a market for a smaller but more versatile rotary tool. You might be tempted to save a few bucks and go for the cheaper Dremel 4000 option. Word of advice: don't. The extra amps and other improvements are absolutely worth the small difference in cost. Read the manual, use it properly, and your tool should last a long time. Pros: 1.8 amp gives ample power and torque. 5,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute variable speed makes it supremely versatile. Soft, rubberized ergonomic, perfect for close grip detail work. LED light for spot illumination. 2 sets are available, each comes with a storage box. Universal 3-jaw chuck makes it quick and easy to fit any tool on the fly. Cons: one of the most expensive options in the market. It can get noisy, earplugs are a must at higher speeds. Accessories are equally expensive.